Hi everyone, welcome to Mini Project 2. In this video or in this section, we are going to create these three nice videos for three different genres. One is sci-fi, the second one is fantasy, and the other one is action or sports. So this is the prompt, a spaceship flying through the galaxy cinematic style. I'm going to copy this prompt. If you are doing this course along with me, you may also follow the same instructions to generate video. So once you copy this prompt, go to Piclumen. I'm going to paste it here. A spaceship flying through the galaxy cinematic style. And I'm going to select 16:9, 3 images, and I'm going to click on generate. Alright, if you see now, the images have been generated. Now what I'm going to do is, I like this image very much. I'm going to download this image onto my computer. If you see now, the image is downloaded. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to Hailu AI. I'm going to select image to video here, and I'm going to upload the image that we have just downloaded. Okay, I'm going to downloads. I'm going to select the image that we have just downloaded. Click on open. It is going to upload the image here. See, the image is uploaded. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to copy the prompt again. I'm going back to Hailu AI. I'm going to paste the same prompt here, and you can select 25 so that you can generate the video here. At any point in time, if you wish to generate two videos for the same prompt, you can also do it. If you click on this arrow, you'll see 2, 3, but it is going to take 75 credits because you are generating three videos for the same prompt, because you will have three options now. Maybe you will like the third one and you can select that to do your project. So what we are going to do is, we are going to select only one because we have only limited credits. I'm going to select quantity 1 and I'm going to click on generate. See, it is creating the video now. So this is going to take a minute or two. After a minute or two, the video will be created. Okay, if you see now, the video has been generated. I'm going to expand this. I'm going to maximize it. If you see now, a beautiful sci-fi video has been generated for our prompt, a spaceship flying through the galaxy cinematic style. It looks really nice. Okay, so this is the first part of our project. In the next video, we are going to use the next prompt to create another video. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.